So you're thinking about starting a pet photography business, but you either think that now isn't the right time, you think the industry is way too oversaturated, or you think it's just already too late. Well, as a working pet photographer, I'm here to spill the tea, I can't believe I just said that, and let you know that there are so many amazing reasons to start your pet photography business today. Yes, I mean right now. First and foremost, if you didn't know, pet photography is a billion-dollar industry. I've said it before and I will say it again, there is space for everyone as a pet photographer. What I've learned since starting my business is there are so many types and niches, whatever, of pet photography, that there's opportunity for and space for you to be unique, provide an awesome service, and be profitable. Whether you want to shoot natural light pet portraiture outdoors like I do, black and white, fine art portraits in studio, action photography, working dogs, or strictly do commercial work, there's literally a niche for every single one of those. In other words, the industry needs your specific style, ideas, and inspiration, and that is just one great reason to start today. 2, pet photography still isn't well known. Obviously, it feels like it is when you are in the business and know so many people, but I often introduce myself as a dog photographer and people are like, oh, that's like really cool. I didn't know that was a thing. Meaning that depending on where you are, pet photography is still very up and coming, especially if you are in an area like I am where there's only really a handful of pet photographers who do exactly what I do. I think there's maybe 3 of us. Plus, we are all very different in how we shoot, the style we have, our ideal client that we attract, and what we offer in terms of a finished product. So even if there are numerous pet photographers in your specific area, consider if you could offer something different, original, or stylistically unique to that area. There's definitely plenty of space for you to enter the market. 3rd, you won't get confident unless you start. I hear this one a lot. People think that they need to be confident or feel a certain way or have all the answers before they start their business. And that is such a misnomer or misleading way of thinking that can really stall your overall growth. As someone who makes mistakes regularly, messes things up all the time, is still figuring out her business, and has a ton to learn, I can attest to the fact that being confident comes from simply taking action and doing the work to build confidence, not the other way around. So if you're waiting to feel some specific way or for the right moment to start your business, chances are it's not gonna happen. So start today anyway. You're gonna feel fear. You're gonna have doubt. It's going to seem insurmountable, but the only way to mitigate those feelings is to gain confidence, and that is to get started, and I am here to cheer you on along the way. And lastly, there are animals who need your talents. I have found that a lot of pet photographers get started in their business by donating their time to a rescue that they adopted from, or even photographing adoptables through their local shelter. As someone who did get her start that way, I am here to tell you that beautiful imagery can truly save lives and help animals be seen so that they can find their forever home. Those same images that you take also help rescues and shelters to have stunning content that they can share on social media to help raise more money, encourage volunteerism, which is always needed. But it also increases awareness and visibility for their programs, their adoptables, or just animal rescue in general. That's not to say as a pet photographer, donating your time and talents is an absolute must, but for me, it has been one of the most rewarding things that I've done in my business, and the unintended benefits of that has been helping hundreds of dogs be seen, so much free promotional marketing from the rescues, booking more clients, and making more money. 10% of which I donate right back to rescue. All in all, friends, I hope that you see that there is so much beauty in community over competition. With what I've shared with you in this video, I hope that it inspires you to take the first step to start your pet photography business. And if so, feel free to check out this video right here on how to get started. Now, if you like this video, give it a like, a thumbs up, all those fun things. And until next time, be kind and rescue dogs. Thanks for watching.